Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 2006 Ford F250 Super Duty. 250,000 miles, 6-liter under the hood, studded, deleted, tuned, solid boost pipes, Banks high ram corner intake. A lot of good stuff on this truck. Motor radiator. Unfortunately, it was involved in a front-end collision with a snowplow on it, and it is absolutely whacked. The truck is rusty, louder than hell. Damn diesel boys. Not a lot of good body parts. Did the tailgate make it? She's rusty. So no body parts. We bought this girl for the drivetrain. Like I said though, 6-liter under the hood. It's got a Jasper transmission in it. Oh God, the seat. It's terrible. It's just adjusted horribly. Oh, it's stuck all the way back. That's great. All right. Oh. Okay. Trailer brake controller fault. You don't say. Check air filter. Well, it popped off. Right doors ajar. Got it. The damn mileage. 250,063 miles. She sounds all right. Oh my God, it goes into gear. I have no steering though because the arms are whapped. Forward and reverse are both engaging. Sounds good. I don't want to run this thing any longer than I have to though. Guys, you saw it. It ran. It makes power. It makes smoke. It goes into gear. All of the good stuff you would expect from a Powerstroke. Like I said, no body parts are going to be for sale on this vehicle. We got some work truck quality interior parts, a lot of drivetrain, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that big dollar diesel motor. All right, guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, and as always, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Don't buy a Powerstroke, buy Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.